Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Etsy inventory management, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Etsy inventory management, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager section. Select the Listings option from the menu. Review your active listings to identify which ones need adjustments. To reset a listing, click on the one you wish to modify. Once the listing page opens, scroll down to the Inventory and Pricing section. Here, you will find the current inventory status for that item. Edit the quantity to reflect your current stock levels. If you want to set the listing as inactive, click the Deactivate button. For bulk updates, return to the Listings page. Select multiple items using the checkboxes next to each listing. Once you've selected them, look for the Edit button. Choose the Edit Variations option if applicable. In the Bulk Edit menu, you can change inventory numbers for all selected items at once. Review any pricing changes needed in this section as well. After making necessary adjustments, click Save. If you want to reset your entire shop's inventory, consider using a spreadsheet. Export your current inventory by going to Settings and then Download Data. Edit the spreadsheet offline to reflect accurate stock counts. Upload the revised spreadsheet back into Etsy by navigating to Listings. Click on the Import CSV option. Follow the prompts to ensure your updates are successfully applied. Once everything is updated, verify changes by reviewing your shop listings one more time. Finally, celebrate your streamlined inventory management on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.